This is gonna sound insane, but I replaced my entire marketing team with free AI tools. And I'm not talking about some janky setup either. This $0 stack runs like clockwork. Writing my emails, designing graphics, even automating my launch schedule. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to set it up. No coding, no fluff. Let's go. Most solopreneurs feel stretched thin. You're the marketer, the content creator, the designer, the strategist. And oh yeah, you're supposed to run the actual business too. That's burnout waiting to happen. But now, I can take a ton off your plate for free. Here's what we're using today. ChatGPT for content and copywriting, Canva for design, Zapier for automating the boring stuff. These are tools you've heard of, but I'll show you how to actually link them into a seamless system. First up, ChatGPT. This is your $0 content machine. Think of it as your 24/7 copywriter that never sleeps, never complains, and never misses a deadline. Here's what I use it for. Email marketing. I'll drop in a quick prompt like, write a 3-paragraph welcome email in a friendly, confident tone for a new solopreneur audience interested in AI. Within seconds, it gives me polished copy that's 80 to 90% usable. Blog posts or scripts, you can go even deeper, give it an outline and ask it to write full sections. Try. Expand this bullet into a blog post section with examples and tips for solopreneurs using AI tools. Social media content. Want daily posts? Try this. Give me 7 short, punchy LinkedIn posts about using AI as a solopreneur. Keep them inspirational with stats or quick wins. Pro tip: feed it your own writing samples. Ask, mimic this tone and rewrite this in my style. It'll start sounding like you, not a robot. Bonus tip: save your best prompts in Notion or Google Docs. Reuse them like templates. That's how you go from AI curious to AI efficient. Next up is Canva, your free built-in graphic designer that lives in your browser. It's drag and drop easy, and with the AI upgrades, it's ridiculously fast. Here's how I use it as a solopreneur. YouTube thumbnails. Start with an AI-generated layout. Replace the photo with a stock image or screenshot, then type in your bold text, like I took over. Use the magic resize tool to instantly turn that thumbnail into an Instagram post or Pinterest pin. Social media graphics, plug in quotes, headlines, or stats you got from ChatGPT. Canva can animate text, add brand colors, and even suggest matching elements. Try this. Create an Instagram carousel using this 3-tip outline on AI tools for solopreneurs. Lead magnets plus PDFs. Whether it's a checklist, cheat sheet, or free guide, Canva's templates make it look like you hired a designer. And with text-to-image, you can generate custom graphics using AI. No stock photo sites needed. Bonus tip: save your brand colors, fonts, and logo in Canva's brand kit. Now every design looks cohesive, pro, and on-brand, without thinking about it. Last up, Zapier, the behind-the-scenes wizard that connects all your tools. If Canva is your designer and ChatGPT is your writer, Zapier is the operations manager. It handles the repetitive stuff you don't want to do, automatically. Here's how I use it. Email automation. When someone signs up through your landing page, like ConvertKit or MailChimp, Zapier instantly sends them a welcome email, tags them based on interest, and logs their info in Google Sheets. No more copy-pasting or forgetting a step. Content scheduling. Let's say you write blog posts or social captions in Notion or Google Docs. Zapier can auto-upload those drafts to your scheduler, like Buffer or Publer on a set day and time. You write once, and Zapier handles the posting, client or lead tracking. Use Zapier to log every new inquiry from your website form into a Trello board or Airtable CRM, and even get a Slack notification or email summary. Bonus use case: set up a daily digest. Every night, Zapier sends you one email with everything that happened. New leads, content posted, emails sent. That's your daily report, done automatically. And the best part? You don't need to know how to code. Just click, drag, and connect. It's like Lego for your business systems. So let's recap. You've got a $0 AI stack that writes, designs, and automates, just like a marketing team, minus the salary. If you got value from this, tap that like button. It really helps the channel.